was all I had in this life. That would be enough until the end of time. So rest your weary heart and relax your mind, 'cause I'm gonna love you, girl, till the end of time.
You got me singing. I can't fuck with these niggas or these bitches, 'cause they all acting all the same. These bitches and niggas don't fuck with me neither, and that's why I stay in my lane. They be acting as if they do feel what I say, but I know for a fact they ain't feeling my pain. Try to fuck over me to make yourself feel better. Can you tell me what did you all gain? And I know I fucked up in the past, but I ain't playing no game. I don't talk 'cause I lost on my brain, but I smile 'cause it's all okay. And I smile at my niggas when they doing better. Remind me that we'll all be straight.